Good morning, students. This is the second class of SQL, MySQL. Today we will discuss about distinct clause, order by clause, and group function. Now, what is distinct clause? If you want to remove duplicate values from the result of the query, then we use distinct clause. Suppose there is a table EMP. It has 4 columns: ID, name, sal, and DPT. Now, if you write select cell from EMP, then it will give a heading cell and it will display all the salaries. But here 10,000 is twice and 20,000 twice. Now, if you want to remove that duplicate value from the result of the query, then we use distinct. Suppose if you write select distinct cell from EMP. Suppose you write select distinct cell from EMP, so it will remove that duplicate value from the result of the query. So what will be the output? Our output will be 10,000 and 20,000. So it will remove the duplicate value from the result of the query. Next topic is order by clause. What is order by clause? If you want to arrange the data either in ascending or descending order, then we use order by clause. For ascending, we use ASC, and for descending, we use DESC. And if you do not mention anything, by default, it becomes ascending. Now suppose we want to display the details for all the employees in ascending order by salary. So we have to write select start from EMP for order by, for ascending or descending. After that we have to write order by. What is the question? In ascending order by salary. So order by, then we have to mention the column name sal. And for ascending, we have to write ASC. And if you do not write anything, by default it becomes ascending. Suppose if you write order by sal, then put semicolon. So by default it becomes ascending. But if you want to display data in descending order, instead of ASC, we have to write DSC. Suppose we want to display details for all the employees in descending order by their salary. So we have to write select start from EMP order by sal DESC. DESC means descending. So what is distinct clause? If you want to remove the duplicate value from the result of the query, we use distinct clause. And if what is order by clause? If you want to arrange the data either in ascending or descending order, we use order by clause. For ascending, we have to write ASC, and for descending, we have to write DESC. Now, group function. There are different types of group function. Suppose in table EMP, there is a column sal. It has 10,000, 20,000, 40,000 and 30,000. There are 4 records. Okay. Now, if you want to, what are the different types of group function? First function is known as max. What is max? Suppose if you write select max within bracket cell, then you write from EMP. Suppose you write select max cell from EMP, then it will display the maximum salary from the table. Okay, so what is the maximum salary? 40,000. So it will display 40,000. This is a group function. What is max function? If you want to extract the maximum value from any column, then this is known as max function. If you write select max sal from EMP, then it will display the maximum salary from the EMP table. Next function is mean. What is mean? If you want to display the minimum value from any column, then it is known as mean function. Okay, mean means it will extract the minimum value. So if you write select, here you write select mean within bracket sal from EMP, then it will display the minimum salary from the EMP table. So this is the mean function. Next one is sum. What is sum? If you want to find the total salary from the EMP table, we use sum. We have to write select. Suppose you write select sum within bracket sal from EMP, then it will display the salary after adding all the salaries. Sum is total salary. Next function is ABG. Okay, what is ABG function? It will calculate the average salary from the EMP table. Instead of sum, if you write here select ABG within bracket sal from EMP, it will display the average salary. Means after adding all the salaries, you have to divide the total salary by 4, as there are 4 records in the table. So this is average salary. Understood? So we have max function, we have mean function, we have sum function, we have count function. Sorry, we have sum function. Last function is a count function. What is count? It will count the total number of records from a table. Suppose in the EMP table, ID 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 IDs. ID 1, salary suppose 10,000, ID 2, salary suppose 5,000, ID 3, salary suppose null, means blank, and ID 4, salary suppose 6,000. There are 4 employees, one has salary 10,000, 2 5,000, 3 is null, means blank, nothing, 4 is 6,000. Now if you write select count within bracket sal from EMP. Suppose this is the salary column. Now if you write select count within bracket sal from EMP, it will count all the records excluding null value. So how many records are there? 1, 2 and 3. So it will, what is the answer? Answer will be 3. Because if you write count sal, it will count all the records excluding null value. Okay, how many records are there? 1, 2, 3. The answer will be 3. Next one, instead of sal, if you put here star, star means it will count all the records including null value. So how many records are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now their answer will be 4. Understood? Count within bracket column name means it will count all the records excluding null value. And count within bracket star means it will count all the records including null value. Okay, that's all for your class. Thank you.